Hey guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about what is predicate function interface. Now time for next interface, that is function interface. Again, this is one of the function interface, or you can say basic or base function interface. So let's have a look on its official document. So that's how it looks like, and see the official documentation says it represents a function that accepts one argument and it also produces a result. Yep. And because it's a function interface, so there must be one abstract method. So abstract method name is apply, which takes one object type. So I can conclude with this that there is a function interface which takes two things as a generic. Have a look, it's taking t and r. T for type and r for its return type. So and there's a method whose name is apply. So apply is right here. That's its signature. R for return type, T for type. And so we have to write lambda expression for this apply function, right? So how it looks like, if this is a method and this is taking one argument as a parameter. So this one, that goes T, the type operation, and function says I will return something. We don't know the type, but in generic way it's writing R. If you don't know what is generics, so it's a part of a collection framework, and so far I have not created any video on collections, but if you're really looking for this concept, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely create some videos on collections that will in more detail. But for now, these are some generic types. So T, R, and once we have some operation done, we have to do some operation like any kind of operation or expression. Then once it's done, you can return the stuffs, return the R. We don't know what is R, it's just a generic type. Or we can simply say T arrow some function and we can get R. The most simplified lambda expression. T for type and R for return. And if it is just a one line code, so return that without writing a return keyword. Okay, so that's how a function interface looks like. It's one of the function interface present in JTK8 and JTK8, and it is present inside java.util.function package. So in next video we will see its functionality, how to use that and how it works. And one more thing just want to mention here before leaving, and because it says it takes some argument and return it, so you can say it like it takes input, do some operation, like we can call this do some operation and then generate output, right? So take input, do some operation on that input data and then generate output accordingly, right? Or we can take this way. So that's a sequence, and you have to figure out what's the requirement, and if it fits in your case, you can go for function interfaces. So this is the flow. So next video we will talk about the method apply and how to write its lambda expression. So stay tuned in. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.